Rando Tech Nerd here. Follow along with me as I complete the pre-install for the Gaggiuino PCB Gen 3. Let's get into it. I followed all the directions. Make sure they're in their housing and or secure on a non-conductive surface. Let's just ignore this one, okay? Let's just pretend you don't see that. And I'm ready for the comments. Okay, here we go. This is it. I've checked all the wires. I don't know why I'm so nervous, but we should just get this test going. So I have plugged in to a Samsung charger that I use. Here's my USB-C. It says to just plug her in, so okay, I don't know why I'm so nervous. Okay, just do it. Just do it. Plug it in. Oh my god. Oh, it's doing it. That is so awesome. Okay. I don't know why this makes me so happy. All right. So let's go through and do the verification really quick. An initialization in progress message appears. I mean, it just freaking booted like that. Like, did you guys see that? Just kidding. I didn't. That's not a funny joke. But yeah, it is up. It's working. It was fast. Okay, so let's see here. That happened quick. Initialization in progress message appears. I just saw Gaggiuino and then it was like in a filling boiler. Yep, I saw the filling boiler message. Temperature is displayed and changes when heat is applied to the thermocouple. Okay, let's see. Where is that? So this is the thermocouple, I think. Let's double check. Ungrounded thermocouple sensor. Okay. Yes, I am alive. Okay, that's awesome. Woo! Okay. Temperature displayed. The SSR light turns on if the temperature is below the set point. Okay, I don't know what that is. Or flashes if temp is close. SSR light. Huh. Or flashes. Okay, we'll figure that out later. The pressure value is 0 bars with no deviation. I think we've got... Where is the pressure supposed to be? Maybe that guy? I see 0. And then the brew temperature is the target, no steam temperature. And then the build number in settings about page on screen match each other and the latest release. Wow, okay, the touchscreen works. That's pretty cool. Okay, well, I'm going to call that a win. We can go over all of this in a future video, but it seems like everything's working to me. So we've got the PCB here. We've got the TOF and LED that is on, which is great. And the display is working. I can touch and go into the... Oh, let's see. Actually, just really quick, let's see if we could change the LED color. Ooh, oh, that's right. Oh, wow. Oh, that's really cool. Okay, I know it's just an LED, but wow, there's a lot you can do in here. Okay, well, I didn't know all this was available. I really like the size of the screen. That is great. Okay, so if you guys are interested in Gaggiuino and want to stay up on the build, consider subscribing. I will be putting out more videos about this, and including the entire build. I already did a print. This is a failed print, but I did a print for the PCB housing, and I plan on doing, of course, the rest of the prints, but the housing for the display, and then I also need to do a little guy for this. So there will be a lot more printing and a lot more stuff coming, and the full build, putting this all in the machine, getting everything all set up. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you are nervous for this pre-install test, I really have to say it's not too bad. And I will just give some quick tips since we're here. What I'll try to do is like I have some B-roll of this, so I'll try to have already explained that in the beginning. But let's just go over a really quick, just again to show you where everything should be and any issues we came across. So the first thing you'll probably run into is not knowing what parts are what. I'll put a video up here of me going through all of that. And if you're completely new to this, I have an unboxing, which I will also put up there. But anyways, to get you up to speed, if you've already watched the parts list video, obviously this is your display, and your display actually has 2 plugs right here. And one of the notes in there is that these colors might be swapped, and ours were. So just pay attention to that. Blue, yellow, or yellow, blue, as long as they're going to the right spot. Right down here, you are good. And then there you have your black and red on up there, so you are going to have 2 sets of 2, and then it goes into 4 down here. And then let's look. This guy, the orange and the black, you just got to make sure they match up. One thing we weren't sure about, which I'm sure you'll tell me in the comments if I messed up, but we put that under the plate. So there's a screw there. I guess you can't really get it to come up, but you gotta put that under the plate. This guy, you have to actually thread that through the PCB. So let's see if we can see it. So you have to actually put that through a hole and then fold it over, and then you plug it in down here, like sideways. And onto this guy. So this is the custom specialized pressure sensor, and that's a big chunky boy. And then that big cable goes over here, and that is into a 3-pin. That's the farthest one over. And then you've got your temperature sensor, and that one, the only thing about it, and you'll see this on the Gaggiuino site, for the pre-install test, that you're going to fold those little wires over, and you're going to need a really small screwdriver to open that up. And luckily I had this cool magnifying glass thing that I got for free from Nakus, so I will put a link to that down below as well. That was kind of helpful. I do probably want to upgrade to even like a more big boy version sometime soon, but that worked out for me. The light is nice. And what else? What else do I got? I think that's it. That's all. So thank you guys so much for coming on this journey with me, and I will be doing the rest of the builds. Like I said, this is not a tutorial. I don't know what I'm doing. Luckily, I have a lot of help from the community, and they are great. Go to the Discord, check out the Gaggiuino GitHub. There's tons of information here. This is just following my journey doing this. So of course, don't listen to me, but you can watch, and this is a nice little reference. All right, this is way too long for a pre-install. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. See you later, nerds. That sounds so mean. Okay, I will see you nerds next time. That sounds better. Bye.